This is the connector from Russell Creek Trail, Russell Creek Park, Plano, Texas. We are going to the Preston Ridge Trail. So down the center of the park's this street. You take the street, four-way stop, then you go on Stonehaven. This is Stonehaven. It's 0.9 miles from that spot there to the Preston Ridge Trail. So that's what we're going to take. We're going to just ride alongside. You notice the street's extra wide. It's a bike route in Plano. I typically avoid streets, but to get to some of the trails you have to use these residential streets as connectors, and they're fairly light trafficked for the most part. This one crosses Coit, but there's a light. Again, we're on Stonehaven. .9 mile connector from Russell Creek Trail to Preston Ridge Trail in Plano, Texas. Yes, this direction is mostly uphill. Honestly, I think Plano slopes up to the Preston Ridge and then slopes down the other side. Aptly named. I'm not going to make this light. Nope. So I abandoned that and just come into the crosswalk, push the walk button. That way it'll stop the traffic for me. There's the yellow. And there we go. 30 seconds. I got 30 seconds. Y'all stop for 30. All right, back on the Preston Ridge Trail. Boom.